The best and easiest ways to clean frying oil for reuse. After using cooking oil for frying food, you may have noticed that the leftover oil has taken on a darker coloring and there are floating bits of batter in the oil. The good news is that, provided you clean or clarify it, you can usually reuse the oil. Unclarified used cooking oil can actually harm us in a number of ways. It can cause trans fat to form in oils, raise blood pressure, release large amounts of toxins, and even cause the oil to become rancid. Even though we normally don't change our cooking oil every day, we can make it cleaner and more palatable. Here are the best and easiest ways to clean frying oil for reuse. 1. Strain through mesh. Before filtering the oil through cheesecloth, a fine mesh sieve, a paper coffee filter, or even paper towels, let the oil cool completely. Residual cooked particles in the oil should be removed since they might cause the oil to burn when reused. Simply pour the oil through the filter, let it drain, and throw away the solid bits. 2. Mix oil with cornstarch. Whisk together 1/4 cup water and 1 tablespoon cornstarch for each cup of frying oil used. Pour the mixture into slightly warm or cooled oil. Oil should then be gradually heated over low heat while being continuously stirred for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the starch mixture starts to thicken. Use a sieve or slotted spoon to remove the gelled mixture after taking the oil away from the heat. If oil seems hazy, don't panic, after warmed, it will become clear. 3. Add lemons to oil. Cut 1 to 2 lemons into wedges and add to heated oil. The residual blackened material in the oil will adhere to the lemons. When this is complete, remove the lemons and the oil is ready to reuse. Depending on what you are frying, oil can be used between 3 and 8 additional times by clarifying it. It's time to discard the oil when it becomes brown, smokes readily, and smells greasy or rancid. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.